Hi, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bjorn, and today we're making bacon and everything seasoning flatbread pizza. We're using Philadelphia urban garlic cream cheese, but if you stick around, I'll show you how to make your own cream cheese and maple glazed bacon at the end of this video. Place a flatbread on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Generously spread a 1/4 cup cream cheese on the flatbread. Then drizzle 2 tablespoons ranch dressing on top and spread it out. Add 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese and 1/2 cup of Monterey or cheddar cheese. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon everything seasoning on top and add cooked bacon pieces. What are your favorite toppings on a flatbread pizza? Let us know in the comments below. Bake in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 6-7 minutes. When done, remove from the oven and cut into 6 pieces. Place on a serving plate and enjoy. And there you have it, a super tasty bacon everything pizza. Now, as promised, here are the recipes for the cream cheese and bacon. Add a 1/4 cup of cream cheese to a small bowl. Add 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And mix it well. And that's it. And now to the maple glazed bacon. Place a pack of bacon strips on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. Remove from the oven and turn over the bacon. Bake for 8 minutes more, and now prepare the maple glaze. Mix together 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon hot sauce. Brush the glaze on the bacon and broil in the oven for 1 minute. Remove from the oven, turn over the bacon, and brush on the glaze. Broil for another minute again. And there you have it, maple glazed bacon. I'm Bjorn, and thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.